Hello everyone, so welcome to PHP training part 10 that we will talk about the odd number, right? The odd number. So in this video I will show you how to create one form that we can input the number and we can click search if you don't know which even number, which odd number. So now example, they have a form like this. So we have a form, input the number in here and click submit. It will show the number is even or odd number. So here is the one system also, or we can say large web application that we can to make it easy with the teacher or with who want to know which number is odd number or even number. So to create this application or this concept, you have to understand the basic also what is odd number, what is even number. Even number, it is the number that divide with the, we can say with the even number the same. Like number 2, it divide by 2, it can be 1, right? It equal 1. And about 3, it cannot divide by 2, so we can say 3 it is the odd number and 2 it is the even number. So let's start to not make you wait you make more, right? So now we show you how to create this form, right? So we have enter number, it is the title and the text box and the button submit. So now I will show you. So the first step to create a form to search which number is even or which number is odd, you have to create a HTML form first, right? Okay. So now I have to dot type. Okay. HTML. So you put I don't put header or title, I just put the body, right? Put HTML. Okay. So in this HTML I have the body, right? I have the body. So in the body you have a form, right? Because we need to create a form to we input the number. So in the form we have to put a method, right? We study before about what is the method. Method it have post and get. So when we use post and when we use get. So you study already. So now I right here post. So I put the title enter a number, right? So enter a number. So form input. So I put try text, right? Input try, or we can try text or try number, something up to you. But if here we search only for number, so I put a try, it is the number, and I put name, it is number also. So I put number. Okay. So it have one more form input. Okay, but try it is button, right? Okay, try. I put it submit. Try submit. Okay, with the value it is submit. Okay. So now we have created a form already. So after we have to create form, we have to create a PHP code for calculate or for verify which is odd number or which is even number. So for the code as PHP for validate the number, we use the condition if, right? If I get the variable post, right? Post. Okay. So in here I put the line name. So put number. It is better. So to last post. Okay. To last post. And I put number. I put number. And after that I write if again, if the number that means the variable that we input divide with 2 equal 0, right? Equal 0. If the number that we input it divide with 2, it equals 0, that means it is the even number. Sorry, it is the even number. Is earned, we can say even. Okay, even number. Okay, even number. So L it's equal stellar number. Okay, is an odd number. So finish. It is easy to calculate which is the odd number or which is the even number. So as I explained you that, so now I compare the scoring of we input it. So we go here. So I show you the coding. So body HTML form here, the form of the enter number. It is our number and input type number. It is the text box here, and input type submit value submit. It is the button submit here. So it is the function that it will work. So $number, it is the variable when we import in the text box we will calculate. So if the number that we import it divide with 2 it equals 0, it is the even number. It is so a mistake like here, even number. But if the number that we input it cannot divide by 2, it will be odd number automatically, right? Okay. So now we try to test the program all together. So myself, okay. So I go to here localhost. So I go refresh. Okay. Continue. Okay. 2 is even number. 2 is even number. No, it's a confused style and maybe I could work it. That's right. So now I put 3 and I put a submit. 3 it is the odd number. So I put 9. What is the odd number also? So I put 91. It is the odd number also. So I put 9 odd number. 8. It is the even number. So it is calculated automatically with which is the odd number and it is the even number. So make you sure you understand about the concept of finding what is odd number and what is even number in a PHP. So it's just a little code for dividing. So here, if the post, so submit the line number, it is equal post, it is the number. And if the variable that we input divide by 2 is not equal to 0, where is the odd number? So remember this concept. Okay. Thank you for your watching my video, and if you want to To learn more about that, you can go to slideshare.net, right? You can find here slideshare.net, and you will see all my document that I have done it, and you can download it to learn by yourself to study, right? Okay, thank you for your watching, but don't forget the concept, the logic in the PHP for finding the odd number and even number. So thank you for your watching this video. Thank you.